So we've been slowly amping the difficulty level up on these problems. So this time we have system of equations where neither one of my variables is isolated. So we've got to figure out another way that we can still use substitution. Well, basically all you need to be true in order to be able to use substitution is you have to have one variable isolated, at least one. So what I do is I look at my system and I try to find which of these variables is going to be easiest to isolate. Well, I've got this x here that doesn't have a coefficient, doesn't have anything else with it. It's a nice, easy, positive x. So I'm going to try isolating that one. So to solve for x, you got to think back to your Unit 1 literal equation skills. I just need to move this term away. It's a positive 4y, so I'm going to subtract 4y. That's going to leave me on this side with just x. Over here, I'm going to have negative 4 minus 4y because those are not like terms, so I can't really put them together. Now, I have a variable that's isolated, so I can plug it in. So I'm going to plug it into the second equation. Don't try to plug it back into itself. It'll never work. You got to plug it into the other equation. So I'm going to say 3 times negative 4 minus 4y plus 5y equals 2. I'm going to substitute. 3 times negative 4 is negative 12. 3 times negative 4y is negative 12y plus 5y equals 2. All right. Now I'm ready to start combining like terms. I've got a like term here and here. Negative 12 plus 5 is negative 7. This negative 12 is still there and my 2 is still there. So I'm going to add 12. Got to deal with that constant first if possible. That goes to 0 and leaves me with negative 7y equals 14. And then I divide by 7. Negative 7, excuse me. 14 divided by negative 7 is negative 2. So my y value is negative 2. Again, I need ordered pairs though. So I'm going to go back into one of my equations. Does not matter which one. You should get the same answer regardless of which equation you choose. I'm going to go back into that first one because it looks easier to me. And in place of the y, I'm going to put negative 2 because now I know that y is equal to negative 2. So 4 times negative 2 is negative 8. And I'm going to add 8 to both sides. And I get x equals negative 4 plus 8 is positive 4. So then the answer that I will put in the answer box is the ordered pair 4, negative 2. Notice that I put my x value first, even though I found the y value first. That's a common mistake that people make. You want to make sure your ordered pair is always x, then y value. And that's it. You guys go ahead and start your U-tries. Make sure you check them, and I'll see you in the next video.